Arithmetic series. So arithmetic series are a set of numbers. Here. A. Let's say the first number is A. Now the second number might be A plus, let's say, some constant D. The third number would be either A plus D plus D. Now, what makes this set of numbers an arithmetic series, and not just, any other series? Well, if it's addition or subtraction, it's an arithmetic series. There are two types of series, arithmetic and geometric, but we're not going to be talking about geometric today, so let's just stick with arithmetic for now. So, A plus D plus D. So you can probably see the connection. You increase by D each time. So there are a couple of variables you need to know about. So the first one is A. A is the first number. It's generally known as the first number. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not big. Okay. And D is what you add. Right. Now there's another variable. I'm going to write it with a pen because it has a subscript. See? T sub n. T sub n is basically just the value of the number. So for example, you said, what is T sub n for this? For this number right here. You would just say A plus D plus D. Or if it gave you actual numbers, like I'm going to give you now, you would just say some number like, the value of the number is 5. Like, that's pretty much it. It's a constant number. It's not something to be concerned about. Okay. So, A is the first number, D is what is added to the first number each time, and T sub n is the actual value of each number. We have one more variable to go. So, n. N is just the number. So, this would be number 1, right here, in a geometric series, 1. This would be number 2, number 3. We just go so on. Yeah, so these would actually continue on. They go past 3. Yeah, you knew that. So, we have 4 variables that you need to know. You can memorize them, or you can just do enough problems so that they're stuck in your head. Either way works. Okay, so an example. Let's try it. So, say you were actually given a test and all you knew is what I just taught you. So, you were given some A, 10 let's say, and then you were told that the next numbers were 17 and 24, right? Now, you would have to identify what is happening to the number as it increases, right? So, so let's say you're given this series, and the actual question was, find T sub n at n equals 5, right? So, you were given 3 numbers. You have to make the connection between these numbers. I'm going to tell you what the connection is. You should pause and try and do it yourself. But anyways, the connection is plus 7, right? It adds 7 every time. So now you can make the inference that it will continue on like this because this is an arithmetic series. So you would say, okay, the next one is going to be 31, and then after that, 38. And you know, T sub n is the actual value at n equals 5, and this is the 5th number in the sequence. So n equals 5, check. Then you would say 38 is t sub n. And you are done. You have completed that question, and so far so good. If you are able to do questions like these, then you're set for this subject.